Hello and welcome to the Views Club. This is Cloud reminding you.
Hey guys, today what we have ready for you is a popular requested one. And honestly, you guys are like, I want this one, this one, this one, this one. You're marking it off the list and I am marking it off my list just for you. So let's get to it. You're gonna need some strawberries. Right here I have 16 ounces of strawberries. It's the bigger carton of strawberries here in the States. I chopped it up like if I'm a DJ, okay? I chop it up.
DJ Fresca!
All right, if you guys have danced quebradita before, you know what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, you should search up a video for quebradita and you're gonna be like, this girl, no.
You're throwing shade at me just because I was into that back in the day.
I was into it too, I just didn't know how to dance it. My dance skills go very shy girl. They're like, they're just a little bit, you know, just a little shimmy. That's all you get. Let's get back to this recipe, okay? What I'm going to be using here is some fresh strawberries. If you have frozen strawberries, go ahead and use the frozen strawberries. It's going to work perfectly because when they freeze those strawberries, it's right on their point where they're just perfect, okay? I'm going to be using some lemon, and I'm only going to be using a little bit of it. So it's going to depend on your taste buds, because if I tell you put a whole lemon, you're going to be like, it's too sour, I need more sugar, and we don't want to get to that point. This is a detox agua fresca.
Okay.
Let me catch my breath because you guys get me too excited here. Okay.
What?
Yeah, dude, I got the giggles.
You're on that Game of Thrones vibe, man. You
Don't get me started. Don't get me started on Game of Thrones, guys. Let's move this recipe along. So I'm going to go ahead and put my, what is this, about 2 cups, 16 ounces of strawberries into 4 cups of water. You guys know that I tell you this all the time in the recipes. These are very forgiving recipes. If you have 3 or 4 strawberries and you want to make yourself a cup of agua fresca, blend it together and enjoy it. And then whenever you get a chance to get more strawberries, go for it, okay? This is just for that pungent, strong strawberry flavor, but it doesn't mean you can't have your little infused detox water. So what we're going to do, we're going to blend it. I'll say it again. This is a what? Did you guys say it? Cloud, come on.
What?
You got me being a DJ. I said this is a what? Ninja. What?
I'm not on that ninja vibe until they start giving us coupon codes or
well, you know what, guys? I think
for the Views
I mean,
Club.
I was trying. Like, hopefully they see this clip and give us a good discount
guys,
for you guys.
let's go to their page and tag them.
Yes, let's tag them that you guys want this Ninja Blender discount on this channel. I want to hook you guys up, but I can only buy a few of them, so for the giveaway. So every discount is going to help us. But what we're going to do is we're going to blend this in the Ninja 1000 watts. And if you don't have one of these fast, powerful blenders, don't worry about it. All you're going to have to do is maybe use less fruit, the same amount of water, and blend it a little bit longer. I did have a really good question on my Instagram because this one's so fast to blend, kind of like the Vitamix. And you know in the Vitamix, you can make some soup, some raw soup, keep it healthy. You guys asked, or this lovely lady asked me, if it turns it and cooks your fruit or your vegetables. At the minutes that I do it, you don't. But if you're going to blend it for about 10 minutes, this thing's really strong and might. So if you have this Ninja, yeah, I was like, oh my goodness. I never thought about sharing that with you guys. So I love the questions.
Sorry, you made soups on the Vitamix, right? That's the main reason why you purchased it.
Yes.
Yeah, to make the raw
Well,
soup.
I learned my raw soups from Dara.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's so lovely, guys. If you guys like this detox style, Dara was a huge inspiration for me for eating a lot healthier. Such a lovely lady. I think she does more tonics now, which you're addicted to.
Yes.
But if you guys are going to be using these powerful ones, just keep an eye out for it. And if you guys don't have the strong, powerful ones, we can still get this done because you and me, we're in a club. So let's rock this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'll see you guys shortly. Oh, you guys asked me to with this one. I usually go power 1, 2, 3, and I let it blast, okay? Because that gets me really worked up and excited. Like, excited before my language and my speech gets corrected again.
Hit us with the oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. There's no power.
Yes, there is.
No,
Honey,
stop.
está rojo ahí, dice power on.
No quiere.
¿Por qué dice rojo? That's
Oh,
power.
okay. You
guys. Nap time.
You guys, maybe the allergies in this Game of Thrones thing got me going
No, mija, son
in
otras
circles.
cosas.
Que el amor.
Te desvelaste.
You know what? Cállate. I did stay up a little bit longer than I should have, guys. But have allergies, guys, so you hear me sniffing and scratching my nose, but my hands are clean always, okay? And detoxing is gonna make your nose runny.
You gotta get on that mangosteen for allergies, dude, I'm telling you.
I'm gonna tell you why I haven't purchased mangosteen again, because my heart was broken with it.
Why?
Okay, it was during a time when I was budgeting. I'll share it with everybody. I was budgeting and I was like making my portions, because you know when you just have babies, you can't spend on a lot of things for yourself or like things that you like. And when my babies were little, like my oldest son, he was my most expensive child. He really was, guys.
And he still is.
Yes, he really is. I had to buy like a lot of organic clothes, organic diapers, that kind of stuff for him. And then it proceeded along to be a thing for Bebe as well. And I had gone to Whole Foods and I bought a big bottle of mangosteen because I was going to get started because of all the nutrition it does have.
Yes.
I got home. My lovely mother dropped it. And if she's watching this, it's going to make her sad. So just skip, Mom. Don't worry about it. But my feelings were so hurt. I got Drake, guys. I got into my feelings. And I just didn't buy the mangosteen again because, and there's another story why it took me so long to heal from like things, like my juicer. I'll keep that one when I make the juice for you guys, but let's go ahead and start straining our strawberry agua.
Our poor mother, I'm surprised she didn't like go and
Yeah,
buy
she
you,
was
like,
so, she's like, oh,
200 pounds.
She's like, mija, te lo compro, mija, I'll buy it for you. And I'm like, Mom, don't worry about it. I can get it again. It's like, and I had a budget to go get it again. I just got in my feelings about it.
Because you have to drive all the way to Whole Foods, and that's
Yes.
quite the trip.
Yes.
I get it.
That's probably what it was.
When I have some, I'm gonna pick some up for you, okay?
I don't know why I just, oh, thanks, sis. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I have like my whole medicine cabinet doesn't have like medicine. I have more like vitamins. So my family calls me vitaminas. They call me vitamin because vitaminas. They call me vitamin because of that. I have chlorella. I have spirulina. I have like so many things that I take every day.
Wow.
You know, I have my days where I'm human where I just like it blows my mind. Like this morning.
And then I chase you down with your drink?
Yes.
That special drink I make for you?
You're a sick... You guys, my sister has me on some sick stuff, but it's really good for you. I don't know if I'm going to put it on the channel here because I might get a lot of heat for it. But, hey.
If you like water, like seawater.
If you like seawater, if you like something that has... What does it have in it?
A sea monster.
A sea monster. No, we're not talking about like sea cucumber, guys. No Veggie Tales going on right now, but hey, it elevates you.
Veggie Tales creeps me out. How their hands are like floating.
Yes.
They don't have, oh gosh, that's I don't know.
What are the Veggie Tales on, you guys? On that Jesus, amen.
They're getting their spirituality on.
Yep. You know, the channel's growing, and I'm getting told not to say this or do that if I want to grow my channel, and I feel so threatened. Like, calm down.
I know you read me that comment. We were dying yesterday.
Like, bye.
Because it was funny. They really wrote out a playbook. If she wants to grow her channel, what she needs to stop doing, and it's stuff that's part of your personality.
Yeah, it really is, and things that I'm passionate about, you guys.
Right?
I really am passionate about humanity. Like, even like the people that dislike me, I'm passionate about them. Like, I really am. Like,
you're always like, pobrecitos, maybe they're having a bad day.
You know what? I figure, like, this is how, like, I acknowledge and move on. Like, I think to myself, you know what? I can't, like, you really upset me, but I can't be that upset at you because you're probably going through some nasty stuff if you're behaving that way. And the only reason I know is because I've been through it. You guys are going to ask me what I did with the pulp for the strawberries. I'm going to just toss them. I don't enjoy biting the seeds for the strawberries because they're so tiny. They really get stuck in my teeth, and I'm still going through some things with my bite. So
you're not tossing it. I need it actually.
What do you need it for? Your compost?
No. This I need the seeds for like exfoliating.
Okay.
I know.
Well,
I know I worry you.
Well, let me put this to the side for down. Dame un vasito, mama. Okay. Quieres hacer exfoliate? What are you gonna, girl? If you're gonna put brown sugar in that, hook me up with the cuchara. You might convince me to go ahead and eat that.
Te vas a arrepentir. Bendito.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna taste our strawberries, see how sweet, see how tart they are, and we're gonna go from there. You don't need it. I challenge you. don't put any sugar and just drink 1 cup, okay? Don't put the sugar in there if you really can resist it until you have your 2nd cup or you want to convince your kids to drink it. But right now, I'm going to tell you guys, don't add it. What I'm going to add here is I'm going to add a sprinkle of lemon juice because this is the kids are going to drink this quick. It's that good.
A squirt, you mean? Someone's going to get mad at you for saying sprinkle.
Thank you for being here and correcting me because my mind, guys, it's really a Lamborghini. Like, it goes that fast.
Whoa.
I should have said a Viper.
You know, a Lamborghini.
Viper,
I used to have one of my previous bosses that would tell me, girl, you're trying to mow the lawn with the Lamborghini. He's like, you need to just bring your intensity down.
I have so many things that I want to share with you guys. You guys get me chatty, aquí me tienen, and you have me right here. That's perfect. Girl.
A ver.
We have the same DNA, so here you go.
Do we though?
Yeah, because if I dip my cuchara like I would if you guys aren't here, everybody gets worked up and I just don't like reading those.
Ooh, this is delicious.
Isn't it perfect? Just wonderful. So if you're going to keep it in your refrigerator, you guys, all my single couples, not single couples, because last time I said little couples and I felt bad because I didn't mean it that way. I meant it more for the smaller families. There we go. The smaller family. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Okay, friends, if you're going to be...
Use numbers. Help us out.
You guys, if you see a lot of clipping in this one is because Cloud's out of control today. If you guys are going to be keeping this drink in your refrigerator for a longer period of time than 1 day, what you're going to find is that it's going to separate. That's fine. You just need to mix it around when you use it. But if you're going to keep it in your refrigerator for more than 1 day, I would suggest adding at least 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or some type of citrus. Lemon, lime would work, orange juice, not so much. But it's going to keep it there for you guys longer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle in some chia seeds. Yes, I know how to make strawberries and cream drink. That's coming for you guys. Some lovely strawberry sweet drinks. Because I think I wore my kids out with some of the detox. So I'm going to hook them up with some sweetness. You know, I got to keep that cool mom status. So that's that. Let me go ahead and pour it in here for us. And you can add as much chia seeds as you would like. I have a lot of protein going in my system. So I'm taking it easy. But it's still very important. And this might be TMI, but I know a lot of people have been detoxing for like over a month, 2-3 weeks. When you start eating nothing but fruits and vegetables, you're going to see things come out of your body that look like tar.
You're going to be single again, pretty much.
You know, just stay to yourself. If you're having a difficult time, like there's no reason for you to socialize and watch food, go out to dinner, do nothing. You're at a good point. If you're seeing any of the tar come out, you're at a good point. I've been there and...
But sometimes it's better to isolate yourself during that time so you can get like
clarity.
Yeah, clarity.
It's not just detoxifying your body, you're detoxing from your environment as well, because I've just had to just move it along in my life. And I'm an introvert and I guess I can be antisocial. I get overwhelmed real easily, so I pick when I can go out, because if I go out with my husband and I get overwhelmed, I'll be like, babe, I want to go back. Like, we're done. Or with my sister, it's the same way. But for you guys, I'm so proud of you. You're still on the detox journey and you're hooking yourself up. That's the best thing you can do for you and for your family. I was talking to one of our friends here, one of our club members, and she was like, yeah, you know, it's so easy to kind of just let yourself go after you have kids, because it's you guys, it's 24/7 when you become a mom. When you become parents, like, you don't matter anymore, and that's how it should be.
And dads too, like dads that are out there doing it on their own. That's a lot of work.
That's what I tell. I tell the Grizzly the same thing. I'm like, babe, all you do is work, family. You got to do some fun things. So I'm excited. I'm still like, he is going to be doing the channel, guys. I'll put it in the community tab whenever he has all of his stuff together, because it's going to take him a little bit of time to kind of do it. He's social. He's actually very social compared to me. But like, it's something for himself that I'm really, really excited for. So if you guys are at the stage where your babies are a little bit older, I noticed that I had more time to myself when Bebet turned 6. Although he turned into the 6-year-old teenager. We're still going through it, but hopefully it subsides soon. Yeah, I'm talking too much. Oh my goodness. When you guys try this recipe and you come back, I want you to hit me with the oh my goodness in the comment section. Woo!
Lemon's perfect in here.
Yeah, it is. When you're picking your strawberries, you're gonna see that you're gonna turn it over and you're gonna see some that are really, really soft. Go for it. Don't let those go to waste. If you see some that are super, super soft, don't have any of like the, what do you call it? Not the foam, the fuzzies. If it doesn't have the fuzzies, take them, because the softer they are, the sweeter they're gonna be for your water.
You're the only human I share my drinks with. I think
know.
because we grew up doing that, and so like I didn't even share drinks with my kids. I know it sounds harsh, but they had their own little cup, their own little thing going on. But you're the only human that I share my drink with.
What do I share my drink with? With Robert? With
Well, I
you?
guess with Robert, now that I know.
Well,
Who
our
you sharing
germs.
your drink
Our
with.
germs.
I'm okay. Shout out to you,
It's
Robert.
because you know I'm clean about how I do things. Like the babies too. Like, do the kids come to your guys' cup and take it? I'm like, no, go get your cup. Like, we're done, guys. Go drink
They're
your
messy.
drink. Yeah, I don't know. All right, guys. I hope this video wasn't too long for you. I hope that you enjoyed your time here with us. I want to thank you guys so much for joining our channel. And your recipes are amazing. Like, the production that you guys have going on is amazing. I'm so proud of you, because you guys already know I struggle with plating. I just want to feed you guys and make you happy. So I want to thank you guys so much for sharing your recipes so that I can post them right here.
Oh, there was a gentleman that that said that he gives his clients a link to your video. So I thought that was kind of cool. I don't know what profession he's in, but he links your video.
Yeah, I'm like, that's so sweet. You guys helping each other out, even your coworkers. I appreciate all of you guys that have been sharing my videos on Twitter, Instagram, on Facebook. I know I don't have one, guys. I keep myself saying that way. That's so vicious that I said that, isn't it? But it's true. Every time I go to the grocery store, I hear anybody bickering at the market, and I'm like, they're like, I saw it on Facebook.
And then also like our relatives are all into Facebook. It's like, calm down, people.
Yeah, that's probably another reason I have a lot of
That's a big
relatives on Facebook. I want to thank you guys so much for joining us, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Adios.
Finish him.
You really want me to sweep the leg? Imagínate que le hicieras el cha, cha, cha.
Así vamos a limpiar ahora.
I know, Glenda. Tell me why till the very end, just me and my blender.
Tupac's in heaven, and I don't know if he's
Rest in
smiling
peace,
down.
Tupac.
I don't know if he's smiling down or he's terrified, but either way.
You know
The
what?
legend.
Tupac did a lot of raising in this soul, so I speak truth.
Amen.
Okay? Te me calmas. Shout out to all my Tupac fans, and if you don't know, you need to know.